shock therapy. The bad news, pandemic blues, a sneezing bird flu in flight at hurricane velocity headed our way, or so they say. Want the good news? Homeland Security booze, anything that might be out of their control, or maybe it's just another opportunity to meet their goal. They're rescuing us again anyway, molding the population like warm clay. As usual, with our best interest at heart, they combat anything that could upset the apple cart. The color of our society is fading fast. Octogenarians and Special Olympics will be in the past. Artists, poets, mystics, scientists pushing the border have no place in a proper New World Order where we cross all our T's and dot all our I's, a black and white world where no one dare cries, fascist state, without expecting to die by that great taser in the sky, where a globalist, sweet globalists play and only know to pray to demons. What has my panties in a knot? A triage the last real journalist caught. So when that puking bird flies in with a goofy high-temperature grin, it's the beginning of sin repeated. No one over 85 will be treated. Close your jaw. It's the law. If you are retarded, just walk yourself to the hearse. Listen, it gets worse. All useless eaters will endure the curse. Aliens crossing an open border. Absurd. Well, doctors can't shoot down their bird. The final shock therapy is that those that are ill mentally, they are at the top of one of those lists. Guess that means bye-bye, global elitists.